Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or welcome if you're new here. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have, I think, 7 job leads to share with you today, so a little bit more than normal. I have 2 different data entry positions. One is paying up to $25 an hour. Most of the jobs that I have don't require any kind of college degree. We have some healthcare, like billing type jobs. Hopefully, we have something for everyone. We have a little bit of a mixed bag. Of course, timestamps and links are in the YouTube description box below this video, and I always ask to give me that feedback. If there is anything that I share that you like, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like button, and sharing is always caring, so share with your friends and family. Now, real quickly, I just wanted to say that while I was looking for jobs to share today, I come across a standard customer service job that was requiring a 24 years of experience and a bachelor degree. And I thought that is just ridiculous, wild. Like, how many people are even going to apply to that job? So I thought it'd be fun to leave in the comments the wildest requirements you've seen on a job posting. I just thought that would be a little bit fun. So if you've seen some wild and crazy requirements for jobs, leave them down below in the comments. Let's see what everyone else is seeing. We're going to go through the first one as fast as possible. The company is Nordstrom. They are the retail brand. They have 24,000 reviews and overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They're hiring an account service collection specialist. This one is going to require phone work, and it is remote only for Colorado. That's why I'm going through it really quickly and put it up front. It is a great job to share, but it is only for those who live in Colorado, which really limits the people that it is for. They have hours of operation and different shifts listed. They are looking for somebody to work like a Tuesday through Friday or a Monday through Friday, but they are looking for somebody to basically do phone work, servicing past due accounts via inbound and outbound phone calls. You're basically trying to collect on outstanding Nordstrom accounts. So Nordstrom has their own credit cards. I'm assuming this is what it is. They're looking for somebody who has like 6 months of customer service experience, and they would like you to have some collection experience. Also, pays anywhere from $16.50 an hour all the way up to $28 an hour. Moving along to the rest of the jobs are really for the entire United States or for a bigger audience rather than Colorado. So I wanted to just get that one out of the way. But now we have the company BetterUp. BetterUp has 551 reviews on Glassdoor. They do have an employee satisfaction rating of 2.8 out of 5 stars. So they come right in the middle. Some people love them, some people hate them. They are hiring an associate executive assistant. If you're interested in applying for this job, when the page first pops up, it's going to be this big image. They do have quite a large header banner, so you're going to have to scroll down a little bit, but they are hiring anywhere in the United States. And they are looking for somebody to be basically an assistant to 2 to 4 executives for their company in different areas of the company. You're going to work with these executives, keeping their calendars up to date, just like scheduling meetings, scheduling different blocks of time, making sure that they're not double booked, scheduling interviews for them, things like that. You're going to assist with a multitude of different basically administrative tasks, from scheduling meetings, phone calls, inbox management. You're going to review their email, booking and managing their travel, planning all of the events that they are going to attend. So you are basically just their assistant managing their time. They're looking for somebody who has 2 to 4 years of administrative assistant experience, someone who's great with the details. Of course, you got to be very organized to manage all of this time. Great communication skills, and great with juggling different priorities, so a multitasker. Now, administrative assistants make very good money. Base salary for this position is anywhere from $60,000 a year all the way up to $90,000 a year. If you're here for the data entry positions, the next 2 positions are going to be for you. First up, we have KForce. Now, KForce is a staffing agency. I always say never fear staffing agencies. Sometimes this is where you get noticed and really get your start within a company. A lot of companies will use a staffing agency to hire people to basically test them out first to see if they work. And then if you are a great employee and the company loves you, they'll hire you on permanently. I know the company I work for use staffing agencies from time to time, and they have hired people on permanently. KForce has 3,400 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a data entry specialist. Pay for this position is anywhere from $20 an hour up to $25 an hour. Now, they do say this is a contract role, but again, with staffing agencies, you never know. It is a remote work from home role. They're asking candidates to work the Pacific Standard Time Zone hours. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But their data entry project is very simple. You're going to do manual review of data to deduplicate rows and pair them with their CRM records. So you're looking for basically duplicates in the data, deleting the duplicates and matching them up with their CRM records. It's going to be very monotonous work because you're going to be doing the same thing over and over again. They're only requiring 1 year of data entry experience and somebody who can work with like either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. So no college degree is needed with this one. If you don't want to work with a staffing agency, though, maybe this data entry position is for you. ABS Kids is hiring. They have 501 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data entry clerk, and with this one, you have to scroll down a little bit on the page as well. Now, ABC Kids is in the healthcare field. They offer therapy to like kids and their clients. This position is paying $18 an hour. They are looking for somebody to do general data entry within their departmental platforms for the employees, like payroll systems. You'll create new employee profiles in the computer system so that they can get paid, setting up their payroll. You'll transfer files from one system into the main document managing system. Just support reporting and auditing. So you're going to document and escalate high priority or time sensitive matters up to their HR shared services representative and department. So you're doing a lot of employee data entry for the people who work for ABS Kids. And they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, 1 year experience in either customer service or data entry, strong attention to detail, strong communication skills, and of course you've got to have those computer skills of being proficient using either like Microsoft Office, being able to just like navigate Outlook, Word, Excel, basically being able to use software programs on a computer. Keeping it moving though, trying to get through these a little bit quicker. Next up, we have Dynatrace hiring. Dynatrace has 1,400 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an order management representative. Again, this is going to be remote for the United States. They're looking for somebody to support the sales team in America, just reviewing and approving quotes for sales to self-generate standard order forms. So you're creating these non-standard order forms in line with companies' policies and procedures, making sure the order forms are prepared in a timely and accurate manner. And so you're working with the manager and legal team to review and approve revisions on the order forms that were requested by customers or partners. You're making sure all paperwork is received, so order forms, purchase orders, and matching the approved quote to the paperwork and contract so that the contract can be executed. So you're just making sure all sales orders are processed in the Salesforce system and shipment of products is done in a timely manner. You're basically overseeing the whole order entry system. They are only requiring a high school diploma or GED and somebody who has 3 years of some kind of order management experience. Now, they do prefer somebody who has experience with contract administration, Microsoft Office, Excel, using those computer systems. If you are fluent in other languages, specifically Spanish or Portuguese, that's going to get you to the top of the line for an interview. It's not required, but they are kind of looking for someone who has these qualities. So you've got to be self-starter and deadline driven. Pay for this one is really good though, anywhere from $75,000 a year all the way up to $95,000 a year. Now, these last two jobs I have are in the healthcare field. Thought I would throw a little bit of healthcare in there. Healthcare work from home jobs have my heart. But first up, we have Myriad Genetics. They have 566 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a reimbursement specialist for their patient accounts division, again, remote for the United States. Now, this one may require a little bit of phone work. You're going to engage with the patients through different communication channels. So you might have to talk with patients on the telephone, website, live chat, or through email, providing support also to nurses, clinicians, doctors, or even the insurance company. So you're working with aged accounts, researching and reconciling credit balance accounts, processing adjustments as needed, just reviewing a patient insurance coverage for the genetic testing, documenting the activities appropriately in the process notes, and just participating in the quality assurance plan. So you are really, the basis of the job is going to be healthcare billing. You are making sure that these patients that are seen for the genetic testing have their claims billed out to the insurance companies, and the insurance companies process them, whatever. And so if the patient pays up front and then the insurance company comes back and pays, you end up with a credit balance. You've got to figure out who was responsible for paying and refund the person who didn't need to pay. If the insurance does not pay, you need to reach out to them and find out why and try to get that corrected. So you're going to be working a lot with healthcare billing and insurance companies. So this is going to require insurance billing knowledge of like ICD-10 codes, CPT codes, things like that. They only require a high school diploma or GED though, and 1 year of experience in customer service, call center, healthcare billing, anything along those lines. They do have a preference of somebody who is bilingual, but that is not required. Pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. Pay is anywhere from $42,500 a year all the way up to $48,900 a year. And of course, last but not least, we have the company Trinity Health. They have 1,900 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a credit resolution representative for their medical claims. Now, this one is a full-time position. It pays anywhere from $16.48 an hour all the way up to $24.73 an hour. And they are looking for somebody to perform their daily activities of their payment posting team. So reviewing, monitoring, and performing follow-up on patient credit accounts and receivables as part of their billing and revenue cycle process. So this is going to be a lot like the other one. If you have a credit balance on an account because the payments were posted from multiple different sources, or adjustments and payments were posted, you kind of have to just like do the research and figure out what is the correct things that need to be posted and what needs to be either reversed or refunded. Things like that. You're going to document the corrections regarding any discrepancies into the system, tracking data on all payment activity on the accounts, just performing account adjustments, and sometimes accounts need to be written off. You'll perform those write-offs. So just researching all the credit balances caused by payment posting, doing any write-offs as necessary, doing any refunds as necessary. Only requires a high school diploma or GED. While they do prefer an associate's degree in accounting or business administration, it's not required as long as you have 2 years of experience in like billing, revenue cycle functions, something like that. They want somebody who kind of has like medical claims processing knowledge, somebody who can work with a computer, again, those Microsoft Office systems. You've got to have great communication skills and great attention to detail. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I never make any promises. I do read those and keep that in mind, though. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.